right, now let's take a look at other markets. We see the fear greed index there about 12 points over 100, still extreme fear in that market. And most markets, you see the price of Bitcoin attempted a fresh increase from the $28,500 point. It was a new support there, and there was a clear move above 30,000. We look at the price of Bitcoin this morning, $29,370. It was above 30K, but we saw that pullback last night. It's down about 3.41%. Total market cap there, 1.26 trillion. That's down about 2.50% than the volume traded in the total crypto space. Bitcoin plus the altcoins at $82.98 billion. And we see Bitcoin dominance 44%. Price of Bitcoin 29,370 at 8 a.m. this morning. And we see Ethereum there trading at $1,985, up 2.93%. Volume traded in Ethereum, $15.94 billion. Top alts by market cap, we see it's mostly negative on that counter. Just BNB there, holding up marginally by 0.89%. Cardano, 52 cents, that's down 4.13%. And eCash, they're having a pullback, down about 2.48. And XRP, 40 cents. XRP losing that support there, trading at 40 cents this morning. Let's bring in Rume Ofi now, digital market analyst. Hello, Rume. Good morning. Hello, Rume. Rume.
Good morning, Larry. Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, quite a pause there. Great to have you, Rume. I thought I lost you there. Rume, quite an interesting price action, we're having this morning. We're seeing Bitcoin pulling back about 3%. It was looking good yesterday, but now we're seeing this pullback. What's driving sentiment there now?
Wow, the whole market is it's not having a bearing at some point, but still, I think still, a lot is going on. Yesterday we saw some movement. You see, there's a heavy correlation with the market, the general global financial market. The brief relief you asked me was more like the good news bits from China. President Joe Biden said that he's going to be considering giving some level of relief from the tariff sanction by Donald Trump. So the market was a bit excited to that, but let's not forget that the market is actually down from the financial perspective. Tech stocks are down everywhere, and this market is going that way. That is why we saw that a short push yesterday.
Quite interesting. And I remember when Coinbase listed on NASDAQ, it had gone from the mostly hotly anticipated debut to one of the most spectacular crashes we're seeing right now. What happened with Coinbase?
Wow, the issue of Coinbase, a lot of people will ascribe Coinbase issue to the fact that the market has dumped from all-time high ATH, which was formerly $69,000 for a Bitcoin, to now that it's about 28, 29, 30, that zone. People will ascribe, but the truth is that there's some sort of mismanagement in that. Coinbase has actually has nosedived some huge amount of money since April, $51 billion. It's not a small money. It's about 80% from its all-time high. And if you look very well, you'll find out that they made a very huge announcement for their NFT marketplace, non-fungible token marketplace, and it took them about 3 months for that to come into reality, and a lot of persons were so surprised. And that is unlike Coinbase, and their revenue projection for 3 months have actually also dropped significantly. I know Brian Armstrong is going to come up with a strategy on that, but I think one of the things going on is more like a mismanagement. Coinbase have actually hired a lot of persons that are actually working for them, about 4,000 staff. That's not a joke. And it has been projected that they're going to lose about $1.4 billion by the end of this year by Bloomberg. So it's a messy situation. I just hope they come out from this, and investors will look at Coinbase and say, okay, let me just try and put my money at some point to see the best that will come out of it.
Right, and looking at Coinbase right now, would you say it's a buy the dip kind of arrangement, or just leave it?
if I wouldn't want to get close to Coinbase now. I would prefer to get my Bitcoin.
Right.
I would prefer to get Bitcoin and get Coinbase.
Okay. All right, Rume. Always great to talk to you. Thank you so much, Rume.
Thank you very much, lad. It's my pleasure.
All right, now, so we see the top 5 gainers there. We see Bitcoin Gold topping that count as up about 17.61%. And the losers counter, we see UST, the stable coin that's supposed to be at $1, topping that counter at 6 cents, down 13.59%. Quite an incredible time in the crypto market with stable coins being unstable. We see Kava there down 7.94%, Zcash down about 7.93%, and Internet Computer also, ICP, that one's been on the downtrend for the longest time, trading at $7.84 this morning, down 7.23%. So it's quite a red market we're seeing, you know, in the crypto space. Even though we saw, you know, the Nasdaq actually pulled up yesterday, but we're seeing the crypto market still going down. But don't forget. The MPC decision day is the 3rd meeting in 2022. Some are expecting a rate hike. Some say it's going to be dovish. We find that out right after business morning at 11 a.m. We'll be crossing over to the MPC to